number analogy. Question number 10. If 8 is 584, then 9 is x. Find x. Option A 819, option B 820, option C 817, option D 818. Think once. Solution: 8 plus 8 square plus 8 cube. 8 plus 8 square 64, 8 cube 512. Sum is 584. The same manner, the same logic we are going to apply for 9 also. 9 plus 9 square plus 9 cube. 9 plus 9 square, 9 9 is 81. 9 plus 81 plus 9 cube 729. 9 plus 81 plus 729, which is equal to 819. 819 is the right answer.